Hello guys, what's up? This is Action Gaming here. So we're here to predict the game between New Orleans Pelicans versus San Antonio Spurs. So let's start. Pelicans 14 wins, 43 loss, 14th in the West, while the Spurs has 24 wins, 31 loss, 12 in the West. When Tuesday, February 25, 2025, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 8 a.m. here in the Philippines. February 26. So, the venue will be at Smoothie King Center, New Orleans, Louisiana. So, ayan. So, the home court advantage will be on the Pelicans. Let's go. Let's move. Moving forward, the spread. Pelicans -2, Spurs +2, over and under 238. So, let's see the health and availability. Pelicans had Brandon Boston Jr. shooting guard out. Herbert Jr. Small forward out for the season. DeJounte Murray point guard out. So for the Spurs, it's Victor Wembanyama out for the season because of his blood clot. So for me, the Pelicans have an edge on their rosters right now because Victor Wembanyama, their best player, is gone for the season. So let's keep moving. Let's see the momentum of these teams. San Antonio Spurs and New Orleans Pelicans met 2 nights ago, with the Pelicans coming away with a 114-96 win at Smoothie King Center. The Pelicans have won 2 and lost 8 of their previous 10 contests. 3 wins and 7 losses in the past 10 games. So for the Spurs. So sorry I didn't put that for the Spurs. So as we can see, Pelicans have defeated the Spurs last game. So for me, it will happen again. Pelicans -2 because of Zion Williamson. He's getting better day by day. He regained his confidence. And for me, Pelicans is the better team because of the absence of Wembanyama. So let's see but for me, Pelicans -2. Again, Pelicans -2. That's my pick. So for more info guys, message me. For more picks, VIP, especially VIP picks, message me. I'll put my messenger down below. For those of you who is enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated every time that we post new pics. Thank you guys.